Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Fantom coin. Today the price line of Fantom has broken out the resistance of this bearish pennant and now it is moving down to retest the previous resistance as a support. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line will be moved up from here and it will continue its rally after this breakout, or it will be moved more down to re-enter this bearish pennant. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can join me through the link I've shared in the video's description. Okay, previously I shared this breakout for my members at the Patreon, and I told them that the price line can start a big move after this breakout. However, our technical targets as per this bearish pennant were this $1.94, and now I'm just going to play the chart. You can see that the price line broke out, and here almost retested the previous resistance as a support. And after breaking out, we can see that the price line moved up, hit the sell target, up to move exactly up to $1.94 and move down. But this time the move can be bigger than this one, because this time this breakout has happened on a 12-hourly time frame chart, and even it can be visible on the daily time frame chart as well. So I'll take you back to this breakout right now. First of all, I would like to show you these different support and resistance levels, and here we can see that we have this key level support at $1, and after that the price line broke out the next resistance of $1.5, retested this previous resistance as a support, and after breaking out this $1.31, the price line is rejected by this 100 simple moving average on the 4-hourly time frame chart. By the way, this is the 4-hourly time frame short-term chart, and right now you can see that the price line, after being rejected, breaking down the 50 simple moving average and testing the 25. This blue one is 25, and then this green one is the 50 simple moving average, and it is testing the 25 simple moving average. After that we have $1.5 support, and below $1.5 support we have a very nice support of this 200 simple moving average. This yellow line is the 200 simple moving average. So if the price line will continue its move to the upside, then our next resistance levels will be after $1.31 to $1.49, $1.61, $1.75, and then $1.94. Even though $1.90. So even though we have a rally up to $1.94, but here at $1.9 we have more confluence points, more touch points. You can see we have at least almost 3 touch points here. Therefore this will be our next resistance or final resistance. Now if we move to this chart, this is the daily time frame. Right now here we can see that the price line, after breaking out this resistance of this bearish pennant, it is moving down to retest the previous resistance as a support. If we switch back to the 12-hourly time frame chart, you can see that here on this candlestick the price action broke out, and now it is moving down. So there can be 2 possibilities. Number one, it can retest the support and a previous resistance as a support and can move up. And the other possibility is that while retesting, it will be re-entered in this pennant. I'm expecting that it will continue its move to the upside, because we have so many rejections. We had a rejection here, and we had 2 rejections here, 1 rejection here, 1 rejection here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections here, and after some more rejections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 5 and on 5th rejection, after 5 rejections, on 6th attempt, the price line, after a long time frame, after long term, has broken out this resistance of this bearish pennant. You can see the price line was entered in this pennant on 6th of September, and at the very end of the pennant, because it was getting squeezed and more squeezed, and it was a decision making time for the price line to break out or break down as soon as possible, because we were at the very end of this bearish pennant. And right now you can see that the price line has broken out the bearish pennant. If we take a look at the RSI oscillator here, let me make it more visible for you, then we can see on the 12-hourly time frame chart with the price line, as the price line has started forming a higher highs. You can see this is higher high, and this is high, and this is another higher than previous high, and it is also forming higher lows. And with the price line, the RSI is also forming higher highs and higher lows. Before that, the RSI was forming lower lows and lower highs with the price line. So the RSI is turning bullish and the price line is also turning bullish. And even on the 4-hourly time frame chart, we can see that the RSI is forming higher highs and higher lows, and the price line is also forming the higher highs and higher lows. But so far on the daily time frame, RSI is not able to form another higher than previous high. It has failed to form another high, and the price line is also not able to form other higher than previous high. However, we have broken out this resistance of the bearish pennant, and the RSI and the price line are forming the higher highs and higher lows on the 12-hourly and on the 4-hourly time frame. I'm expecting soon it will be also reflected on the daily time frame chart as well. Now, for more confirmation, what we can do, we can wait for the next candlestick to close above the highest price of this candlestick. That will be the final confirmation for the breakout. However, it can be also a very, very nice opportunity to buy exactly at this previous resistance of this bearish pennant and take a chance from here and set our sell targets accordingly. Like the target as per the bearish pennant can be the tail of this pennant, that is $1.18, but at the same time we also have formed a bull flag as well. You can see that this is a perfect bull flag, and as per the measurement of this pole of the bull flag, if I place it here at the breakout point, then our next target can be, I've also already placed this next sell target here, that is $2.6. So if you're going for this target, for bigger one, then I would suggest you to wait for the next candlestick on the daily or at least on the 12-hourly time frame chart to close above the highest price of this candle, that is $1.377, and then place your buying orders. However, if you're going for this target, then you can take a chance here and you can buy it here and set your stop loss at $1.15, because at $1.15 we can see we have a very, very nice support. Previously it had been working as a resistance here, then it worked as a support here. When we had a very, very drastic drop on 7th of September, the price action tested this $1.15 and moved up again. Then again we had another drop, and the price line is bounced by this support here. Then we had another drop on 20th of September, but the price line for a while used this level as a support, but broke down here. Now right now the price line, after breaking it out, used this level as a support here and moved up again. Right now we are again moving to this support. However, we have the 25 and 50 simple moving averages, so right now working as a very, very nice support before this support level. So we can use this level as our stop loss, or we can, I would suggest you to use this support of the bearish pennant as your stop loss. That will be a more safe way to start your trade while you're buying here, because it is also a very, very strong support if you'll use the support of this bearish pennant, because you can see that here it has been working as a nice support here and here and here as well, even though we had a very, very drastic drop on 21st of September, but the price line did not break down the support and reverse back inside this pennant. Therefore we can also use this support of this bearish pennant as the stop loss as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I've shared my link to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.